Hi guys, welcome to FIXtastic Contents, the channel to your solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows 10 memory diagnostic test. If you've got any problems with your memory, this is what you need to do. In the search bar, you type in memory and then you click on the first one which says restart this computer. And now it's going to reboot. Now, as you can see, you're in the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. There's a lot of information displayed here, but what we need to look at is the status. As you can see here, no problems have been detected so far. So this is the percentage of the RAM testing process. Still early stages. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fast forward it towards the end of the testing process. We are at 97% now. 98. 99. And then 100. Now it's going to restart to Windows 10. A pop-up will occur. It will say that Windows has successfully tested this and no errors have occurred. As you can see here, there's the pop-up. It might take a minute or so to appear. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.